Hi, Chris with Dry Dock here, checking out the 2020 Super Air Nautique 210. It's in Victory Red with the white bottom, sitting on Boatmate tandem axle trailer in black. Swing tongue. Got the white Chromax going on. Standard on all Super Air Nautiques, surf pipe. Climb up inside. Nice big sun deck. Walk-through underneath the sun deck. Nice storage bins, because this boat does have the Pro Ballast system. Cup holders. Check out what power we got. So, PCM ZR4. This is the 6-liter engine. Full closed cooling system for 2020. No one else has this. Pumping out 400 horsepower. Removable seat back. See? Got another one over here. Best captain's chair in the industry. Standard mirror. Got the divider, protects you from the wind. Just slides right on out. Store it away if you don't want to use it on those nice hot days. Nice big front end, bow. Awesome sounding JL audio system. Speaking of JL, seven sevens. If you have any questions, call Dry Dock, Chris or Nate, 260-833-2492.